Alright, what is up, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below for the comment section. And today we're taking a look at Polygon on our daily time frame. Oh my goodness me, it's finally happened. We've finally broken down from our support trend line. As you can see here, support, and we've finally broken down here. Altcoins getting absolutely destroyed at the minute by Bitcoin's sideways bearish nonsense price action that we've been seeing. Altcoins in general, just take a look at the top 100 for me real quick. Top 200 and you'll see basically that every single chart is pretty much the same, breaking down, back testing recent levels of that, you know, that bullish structure and continuing to the downside here. You can see Polygon having a big rinse all the way down here to that previous level of support. As you can see, really right now we are just chopping sideways in a huge range. You would say looking something like this in reality for Polygon. You'd say we're just putting in a bit of a range here, back testing now our levels of support. You can see quite a decent pickup off these lows here. Polygon always a very volatile crypto, as we can see on the charts. But right now, a lot of altcoins getting absolutely completely destroyed at the minute, and Polygon is no exception. Really do need to see Bitcoin getting back up towards its all-time high and making a new all-time high over the next few months. But in reality, you know, no two cryptocurrency cycles are the same. And right now, all we've seen really is Bitcoin pumping and altcoins not really moving too much, to be honest. We've yet to see any movement really for the macro altcoin market. Bitcoin's moved up to a new all-time high just about and is now consolidating. And altcoins right now doing absolutely nothing for the most part. I think to be honest, a lot of the liquidity from all the retail investors is going straight into Solana meme coins still. So very interesting to see what will happen next. Right now, the entry positions are getting juicier and juicier for long-term holds, in my opinion. Right now, we are still looking absolutely shagged on the daily time frame.